Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Hope you are all doing well. Nowadays, as there is lockdown and the COVID 19 has created the havoc, it has created panic, confusion, chaos all over the world. And in Kashmir, also, you see the number is increasing day by day. Number of deaths also increasing day by day. It creates more and more tension and anxiety in the people. Then also this lockdown, when you are all the time within the four walls of your home, it also increases or adds to the anxiety particularly. Now everyone is talking about the COVID-19 these days. They are talking about the technical things about the COVID-19. I would like to talk about a different thing. This video is actually for my students. I address the students irrespective of their schools and college, student class in general, I mean to say. So a couple of days ago, I found an article which was very much interesting. Article was on the news magazine Guardian, The Guardian. On their website, I found it. It was written by Jonathan Watts and it was published on 9th April. It was very much interesting to know that there are certain effects on the particular environment, certain effects of this lockdown on the environment, which have never been discussed so far. You know, the worldwide lockdown has affected the environment in positive way also. We don't advocate the lockdown throughout the year, but we say something is there positive in this lockdown as well. According to this article, so nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide emission has been decreased by 40% during this lockdown. If we talk about the China, because China was the particular epicenter of this epidemic, and Wuhan, China was the first city or the area where the lockdown was first imposed. Therefore, in China, 18%, 18% of the carbon emission was decreased. And why the China, or I can say decrease of the carbon emission in China is so important, because China comes in the countries which have highest amount of carbon dioxide emission. Now, in China only there was 18% decrease in the carbon emission. So that is a good news for environmental workers. Another thing very important, very much important and very much interesting in this article I found was that there was a positive effect on the particular wildlife. Only in the UK, if we found, it was written in that article, only in UK there were lakhs and thousands of the animals which were being killed in the road accidents. Either the car has hit an animal or the particular truck has hit an animal. I can say the birds, the mammals and other particular organisms, the wild animals, they were killed in the road accidents, and the number was thousands. Okay, so thousands of or lakhs of the animals were killed yearly in UK only. So when there is lockdown, there is least traffic on the roads, so because of which animal mortality is very less. So it may contribute to the biodiversity. Okay, so that means loss in biodiversity was the particular issue, one of the issues of the environment. So there may be certain particular positive effect on that as well. So this was the effect on the wildlife. These are the things what we have, I can say, what the scientists have found so far in the environment. So what are the effects of this lockdown on environment directly? Now, indirectly, what COVID-19 has taught us, the scientists who are working on the epidemic diseases, they have come to the conclusion that 75% of the infectious diseases have the animals as their primary hosts. And how these diseases are transmitted to the human race? They are transmitted by the particular wildlife trafficking, wild animal trafficking, trafficking of wild animals. So, trade of the wild animals. For example, wild animals are being smuggled, wild animals are being I can say poached and killed for certain things like skin and etc. So this trafficking of the particular wild animals or the marketing of the wild animals, this has caused the transmission of the diseases from the wild animals into the human race. Scientists are now advocating that there should be the complete ban on the wild animal trafficking and etc. These were certain things about this COVID-19. I hope that this video is informative for you all. And these are the positive things what the COVID-19 has, I can say, or the world lockdown has taught us. But still, it is particularly causing the panic, tension, anxiety, and depression. May Almighty save us all, and may this lockdown be over very soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home till this lockdown is there. I would also request you all to support us as we have started the virtual classrooms. Not only me, but there are a lot of teachers who have started the particular online classes, the virtual classes. Even the private schools, government schools, everyone is now going for this particular virtual classrooms. But we need your support. If someone is having any suggestion or anything else like that, it must be positive, it must be constructive, and it must be appreciating. So I would request you all, whenever you will comment on anything, it should be constructive. Yes, there must be criticism, but this criticism must be in a positive way, it should not be demotivating one. So thanks to you all for watching our videos, and thanks for your suggestions as well. We get a lot of suggestions every day, so thanks to you all. Stay blessed, stay safe.